Dear friends, today we will discuss question number 4. The question number 4 is Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 285,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 400,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Now the solution will be like this. Now number of books sold in the first week of June. Number of books number of sold books worth rupees this in the first week of June. In the first week of June, first week of June, books sold worth rupees 285,891 right, and in the second week of the month, first week of June and second week of June, in the second week of June, books sold worth rupees 400,768. Therefore, total, if we add the two numbers, we are getting 8 plus 1, that is 9, 9 plus 16, 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, here it is 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, that is 16, 6 carry 1, 5 1, 6, 8, 4, 5, 6. That is 6,86,659. Therefore, the question was how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. Therefore, the answer will be the sale for the 2 weeks, the sale for 2 weeks together, 2 weeks together is rupees 6,86,659, right? This is the answer. Now next question is, in which week was the sale greater? We are finding that in the second week of June the sale was greater because it is worth rupees 4,768, and in the first week of June it is 2,85,891. Therefore, in which week was the sale greater? Therefore, the answer will be the sale was greater in the second week of June. The sale was greater in the second week of June. In the second week of June. And the next question is, by how much? Then we have to subtract the number. Therefore, the number is book sold worth rupees 4,768 in the second week month. That means you have subtract this, that is 4,768 and if you subtract the number 2,85,891. That means if you subtract the number, we are getting 8 minus 1, that is 7, 9, 7, 16, carry 1, 8, 1, 9, 9, 8, 17, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 6, 4, 10, carry 1, 8, 1, 9, 10, 1, carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 1. That means 1,14,877. The question was, in which week was the sale greater and by how much, right? Therefore the sale was greater, the sale was greater by rupees 1,14,877. This is the answer. Now we are repeating once again. That is, in the first week of June, books sold worth rupees 2,85,891, and in the second week of June, books sold worth rupees 4,768. And we are adding this number, we are getting 6,86,659. The sale for 2 weeks together is rupees 6,86,659. And the next question is, in which week was the sale greater? We are finding that in the first week of June, books sold worth rupees 2,85,891, and in the second week of June, books sold worth rupees 4,768. 768. Therefore, in the second week of June, the sale was greater. And by how much? We are subtracting this number, that is 4,768 minus 2,85,891, and we are getting the number, that is 1,14,877. Therefore, the sale was greater by rupees 1,14,877.